Okay, now I've known for a long time that budgies, actually their feathers, especially their little cheek patches, glow in the dark under black light or ultraviolet. They have the ability to see ultraviolet, and that actually helps them in choosing a mate, which budgies are the brightest. So if you put black light on a budgie, that actually shows up, and I happen to have one, and I tested this, and it works. It's really awesome. Now, not so much on white budgies like Protist and Peep. I hope the camera picks this up. But you can see her feet are glowing, and her nose really shines, and Peep too. But this works really well for the best on green budgies, and yellow budgies, and blue budgies. And Seep doesn't really, they're toys. The toys are awesome. Okay, these are light yellow recessive pied sky blues, a green budgie and a blue budgie. And I usually call these phage colored budgies because they look like my favorite budgie phage. But these guys, oh, it's awesome! That one's actually a female, and her nose turns blue under the look at this green one. That's my budgie Tesla. She turn around. His face is bright yellow, and their noses turn blue, and their feet glow. And that blue budgie back there is purple now, and green budgies like this become like an olive color. That one's awesome budgie right there. Okay, and just below here, and their toys are so shiny. This is too much fun. Alright, I gotta show you a normal green budgie, because they glow the best. If I can open the cage, I'll show. Wow. His nose actually turned brown. This is weird, like they become opposite colors. His orange beak is blue, and that's a yellow budgie. I mean, this is solid yellow budgie during the daytime, and she looks like an olive budgie, and the toys are shiny. There's another phage color. That one's really shiny. I can't tell. Oh, that's a female. Her tongue was purple. I really hope this shows up. I can't tell. It's always darker on the computer than it is in the camera. This is fun. The white doesn't really change color. If that blue budgie would come over here. Here she comes. She actually turned purple. There she is. She looks purple in the black light.